So you want to be a web developer? Check this. Go to lambdaschool.com, sign up, pay nothing up front. That's right, nothing. Classes begin. Start coding, attend live lectures, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Get stuck, break your keyboard, buy a new keyboard, find the answer, keep going, sleep, wake up, go to campus. Yeah, right, we're online. Code even more. Learn React, learn Redux, Zoom conference, share your code, Slack your instructors, ask questions, get some help, master C, master Python, master Django. Take a break. Okay, break's over. Hack some more. Learn data structures, learn algorithms, learn operating systems. Career prep, write a resume, assemble your portfolio. Land the perfect job, get paid the big bucks. Oh yeah, and then you pay Lambda. What are you waiting for?